Hello everyone, welcome to our live trading session. Hello guys, let me just check the chat. Hello, let me know if you can hear me and if you can see me. That's very important before we start, so I need to check that. On my side, everything is looking okay, but just let me know. I need to make sure. Everything is all right. Thanks, Victor. Okay, guys, we can start our live trading session. You can see on the screen GBP USD. In the morning, we were very close to open the position. Actually, trade was open a few minutes after the session. Like you can see, we were waiting for the right candle. So, candle, signal candle, and that, and the signal candle should say should tell us if the buyers are coming or not. Let me just show you GBP USD. Okay, so plan in the morning was to break through this trend line. Okay, retest it, and then bullish reaction. So during the session, we were somewhere around here. So 2 candles before position was open. Next candle, you can see the price got to the trend line, and this candle right here was telling me that the buyers are coming into the market. Signal candle, strong bullish candle, position was open, stop loss for $5,000 under the cluster and trend line. I could do smaller one, but it's more safe option. Okay, so at this moment I got $7,000 in profit. Target is at $15,000. So what can we do right now? We can take half, because we are halfway to the take profit. We can secure the trade. So I'm gonna close half of the position, and we're gonna leave the rest for full take profit. Okay. So I'm gonna close half of this position. 40. It's gonna be 21.5. Close. Okay, so we got profit. It should appear in the second. Let me just refresh. I got profit of $3,267 already secured. So even if the price will drop, I still got $3,267. Rest we're gonna secure for break even. Okay, so trade is secured. Nothing risk at this moment, so there's no risk. And if we're gonna get to full take profit, we're gonna have $7,500 extra. So in total, we're gonna have more than $10,000 from this trade. I think it's pretty cool. So guys, let's wait and see where we can get with this trade. I'm not changing nothing at this moment. I've got some profit secured. Rest is on break even, so they can do whatever they want. We got some profit already. So we're getting closer and closer to $50,000. Maybe we're gonna find another trade on this session. We will see. Yes, sir, I can hear. Good. I also opened it during that time, 5 minutes after the session. Good for you, Lorenzo. On USDCAD, I missed the order by 1 pip. Okay. I didn't check that. Yes, over here, it didn't open the position. Look, guys, we had pending order on USD CAD. There was perfect reaction, but didn't open the trade. Why? 1 pips away from our order. So it's a shame. We could get extra $2,500. The plan was good, but the trade wasn't open, unfortunately. You can see perfect reaction, that what we were expecting, but it is what it is. So I'm going to remove it now. Yes, this trade is removed. But the plan was good. Anyway, GBP USD is quite good. So, Lorenzo, do you have any profit? Did you close your position on GBP USD or not yet? Let's check over here, 5 minutes time frame. You can see that was the plan from live trading session to break through, retest cluster and the trend line. And right here at the top, we got target from all-in ASAP strategy. So this trade was open right after the session. And like you can see, there is profit already, another 3,000 in the game, but already $3,267. It's secured. So I think it's pretty good Monday, pretty good start. Guys, let's check if we got any more opportunities. Lorenzo, yes, half position close and stop loss in break even. Great stuff. Great. Good for you. Okay, guys, so let's move to trading view. And on this session, we're going to focus on price action cycle strategy, which is working very well during US session. Okay. I need one more thing. Emma. Okay. We have our exponential moving average, and let's see. This is basically US 500. I think we're gonna start from gold. Let me just check something. Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also looking good. Okay, let's start with the gold. We are looking at current day. Okay, 5 minutes time frame. I'm not looking at previous day. We are looking at current day. And what do you think? Range day, trend day? I think it's pretty obvious. So we are looking at trend day. That's for sure. The day started with strong bullish move, basically. So we are going up, but at this moment the price stopped somewhere here. We are in some kind of range since 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so let's check this first impulse. We didn't even have pullback to 38.2. That means there was quite big power of buyers. First leg, second leg, and the third leg is not done. It's not done. We didn't retest that Friday's high, not yet. Because the second leg is done, we can check where will be our pullback zone. We are basically in our pullback zone, which is good. It's gonna be hard to find rotation channel in this kind of move. Not try from the top, but I don't think it's gonna work. Maybe like this. Why like this? Let me explain you. The top is okay. We had some reactions from the top. The bottom also, we had few reactions here, but we got overshoot right here. So we can expect something similar on the other side. Okay. So we might have double bottom, sorry, right here. The price is dropping down. It's quite strong move. Let me just check something. Let me check it. Okay, so the price is dropping down. there is a chance that we're gonna have change of direction, guys. This is our pullback zone. We will see if we're gonna come back into rotation channel. We might have a chance to go back to go up. Okay, so let's see. Like, yeah, second, like, yeah, this is our pullback zone. So we might have double bottom and continuation because on this side we got some kind of overshoot, and we can expect something similar on the other side. So if this is gonna happen, we should go back into rotation channel, and after that we're gonna have a chance to go even higher. Okay, uh, but there is a chance that we're gonna drop down. There is a chance that the price will drop. So we might look for strange setup. But we need some more candles over here. We need some more candles. The price stopped at this moment at some kind of support resistance zone. Support resistance zone. We stopped here and we got also double bottom. So I want to see the price coming back into rotation channel. Okay. Check something else. 1 second. I think this is gonna work much better. We got some reactions from the bottom, from the top. It's looking good, but we cannot go any lower because if we're gonna break through, the price will drop. Probably there will be a change of direction, and we're gonna try to flip the side and to go down. We're gonna look for the trade to go down. Okay, but this can be manipulation because a lot of people waiting for the gold to drop down. If you look at 1 hour time frame, we are somewhere at Friday's high. So I'm pretty sure people gonna try to sell over here. So after these candles, probably we got already traders in position right here. So it would be good if the price can gonna go back into the rotation channel, and we're gonna try to go up. In this area, it's gonna be a little bit risky because this is some kind of support resistance zone for buyers. Okay, so it can be hard to go up, and we got some high from previous day, so from Friday. Okay, so this is previous day high. Okay. All right, so let's check if we can go opposite direction, so bearish. For sure, we need some rotation, maybe hidden rotation channel, but I cannot see anything at this moment. So we are in very important area because if we're gonna break through, we're gonna look for short position. Okay, so we need to see what's gonna happen here. We got nice reaction, but it's not the time for us to open the trade yet. We need some more information. Of course, we need to know which micro rotation are we, if we are in bullish micro rotation or bearish micro rotation. That is quite important. Let me just switch to 3 minutes time frame because I need some more informations. So let's look for micro rotation. Okay, I think somewhere here. Bullish one. Okay. Bearish one not confirmed. No, I think the bearish one is right here. bullish rotation. 2 seconds, guys. Bullish one. We are looking for bearish rotation, which is here. Okay. Then bullish rotation can be here actually. And now we are in some kind of bearish rotation. So we need to wait for confirmation of bearish rotation because this is the beginning of rotation. Okay, I cannot say that this was pullback. No, this can be our rotation, but now we got pullback and I need some confirmation. After that, we're gonna look for bullish rotation and we're gonna look for the trade to go up. Okay, I'm not sure if we're gonna try to do this from this place here, but we need some more informations. Okay, especially that the price was moving in some kind of range since 7 o'clock in the morning, and we might have a chance that the price will get here. They're gonna grab some liquidity, and we will see buyers after that. We will see. The price just stopped. We need some more information, so basically we can leave gold for a few minutes time. We're gonna come back to gold in the second. I want to check some other assets. 1 second. Top of the close. I think this some kind of range is a reset. Yeah. Yeah. For now, we're gonna wait. I need some more information, guys. All right. Let's have a look at. Oh, let's have a look at crude oil. Hmm, crude oil or S&P 500. Which one is closer to position first, second? Maybe gold. Maybe gold. Uh, okay, let's check Asian session. This is Asian session. And it looks like that most of the time, I know the day started in some kind of trend here. Interesting. Some kind of trend, but if we look at this area right here, most of the time the price was moving in this range. It might be a little bit small because we got reactions. Look, it can be very small range. I'm not sure if I like this kind of range. Let's check it out. Because we are looking for as many reactions as we can find from the top. So probably it will have to be like this. Template black. Because if I'm gonna mark range like this, okay, it's fine. We got some reactions and expansions and stuff like that. Everything is good. Even they came back into the range already. So we might have a switch from range to trend day because they came back already uh, to our range, and we might have a switch of directions. But I think 3 legs are done already. This is gonna be our first leg. Second leg, and I think third leg is done over here. We got even fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, we can look for change of direction. Why not? We'll see how the price will react at exponential moving average. Maybe we can use it. But I want to see reaction at exponential moving average, because if we're gonna look at the situation right here, this could be rotation channel, and the first leg, the second leg, third leg, and the fourth leg is done already, and maybe we're gonna change direction. We'll see. This is the beginning of a bullish rotation. We might look for strange setup over here, maybe, but I need to see the price coming back into the exponential moving average, and after reaction, maybe we can open the trade right here, okay? So we need to see the price to come back, and after reaction, we're gonna try to open the trade, small stop loss, and let's see where we can get. But I want to see the price coming back at least to exponential moving average. They can go a little bit lower. This rotation, hidden rotation channel, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. We're gonna see, so I'm gonna leave it for now. It might work, might not. We'll see. So right here, simple setup, but we need to see reaction somewhere around exponential moving average. Maybe we're gonna open the position. Let me just prepare the platform just in case. It will happen. Okay, and probably stop loss. Okay, advanced order, risk mode, points, percent. But for this setup, a little bit lower stop loss. Okay, so let's wait for this situation right here. If we're gonna go back to this area and we're gonna see reaction, we might enter the position as well. Probably next few minutes. So we're gonna come back to this one. What's going on with gold? Nice reaction of buyers, but we need some more information right now. I think in 5 minutes time we got CPI in Canada. CPI in Canada. In 5 minutes time, let me just check. Yes, 2:30 CPI in Canada. I want to show you something because there is CPI in Canada. I want to show you something, but we're gonna do this on demo account just to show you because I cannot do this on MFA account. Unfortunately, no, because news trading is not allowed. But I will show you on MT4 how you can use CPI. CPI in Canada. Let's see. Remember that on live account the spreads will be bigger. Okay, this is demo account. Just for example, I want to just show you how you can do that. You need to practice first on demo account. Of course, if you want to go with this setup to live account, test it with the 0.01 because you need to see how the spreads are working and how the position is moved. Because if I'm gonna set position here, On live account, it won't be open in this place. Okay, remember that. They will open it somewhere higher. Okay, because this is gonna be the first available price. So mm, it will be moved, but you can test it on live account. It's working very well, guys. Okay, how to do it? We can jump onto 1 minute time frame. 1 minute before news, I'm gonna set the separator. So 1529, because after the separator, next candle, price will open probably quite fast. So let me just prepare it. We can do it one lot size. It doesn't matter how much I can put 10 lot size. It doesn't matter. It's just an example, guys. Okay, so buy stop, one position buy stop. Stop loss for 10 pips on USD CAD and take profit 3 to 1. So 30 pips take profit. Okay, and 30 pips take profit. The other position needs to be on the other side. So the other one is sell stop. Stop loss and take profit. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, and 30 pips take profit. 18, 30. Okay, so we got two positions ready. Let me just open. I don't want to be late. We got less than 1 minute. Sorry, guys. Come on, where is my clock? Okay, we got 45 seconds. Two positions are set. I'm gonna move them closer to the price and 5 seconds before the news. Okay. And if one position will activate, I will remove the other side. We got 15 seconds left. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Let's go. Okay, one position is open. This is not the move I'm looking for. I think I'm gonna close it because we should see better candle over here. They should go straight up. They stopped in this place, so we should basically close the trade. Okay, I close it. I know it's demo account, but I close it because this is not what I was looking for. Okay, and if you're gonna test it on your account or later on maybe live account, if you got situation like this, just close this position because it should look like this. Boom, or the other side. Okay, so don't leave it because you're gonna think, oh, maybe they're gonna go up because the position is open. No, they usually, if they're not gonna go straight up, they will do something like this. So they're gonna cut you off. You will get stop loss. Okay, so better just remove this position. Unfortunately, nothing happened, so we can go back to our trading. Oh, you didn't see. I was doing this on the other screen. Okay. Okay, let me explain you what I did. Uh, I've set this line 1 minute before, and I've set one pending order buy stop and the other one sell stop with stop loss and take profit straight away. So for this position, take profit and stop loss was set, and the same for the other one. So usually when we got some news, we should see activity like that. So 5-7 seconds before news, I'm moving this orders closer to the price. So if when we got news, one position should be open, this one or that one. So if they're gonna go straight up, we should close this position and secure the trade for break even straight away. But over here, the position was activated, but they didn't go for a few seconds up, so I just close it, okay? Sorry, guys, I thought you see that, but my mistake. All right, let's go back to trading view and let's see what's going on our asset GC gold. Okay, 500 and GC. Look, we got spike and maybe flag. This is 3 minutes time frame. Need to get to exponential moving average. Strong reaction and we can open the trade. Why not? But I need to wait for the price to come back to exponential moving average. If they're gonna go straight up, okay, let them go. But I need to see reaction at exponential moving average. And this is quite important. Maybe euro. Okay, let's check euro then. Okay, euro might be quite interesting. What's going on with our GBP? GBP. Let's go. Yes. Let's go, guys. 4,000. We're gonna get in total $10,000 if we're gonna get right here to full take profits. It's looking good. We will see. Euro USD. Okay, Euro. It's quite interesting. I think we have a range day today. 840. The price was moving in some kind of range. I'm not sure if you can find the right zone. Let me just check from the top and from the bottom. Cannot do it like this because it's too tight. Yes, there is range, and we can catch basically, but I cannot see reactions at expansions because this is quite big. I don't like the range with this kind of spaces inside, okay? The price was moving mostly in this range. Unless we're gonna do it like this. It might be better idea. Okay. 1 second, guys. Okay. We got some reactions from the bottom, from the top. It doesn't look too bad because we got morning as well. Here had some reactions. Mm, Maybe we could do it better. We got more reactions here. Okay. It's okay. So we are looking at this range right here. This can be our non-trade zone. We got reaction at expansion here. Also nice reactions here. Let's say this one is okay. Price is moving up. So Uh, in range days, we are looking for the price to come back into the range. So let's check this out. Setting style. We're gonna look for sellers because we want to go back down into the range. Okay, and one more. Okay, we got some zones where we can expect the price to reverse. Uh, if we are looking at price action also bullish, first leg done, second leg, third leg. So 3 legs measure move is done. If you are looking at this first impulse over there, we can add, for sure, we can add trend line because after the breakout of the trend line, this will be a signal for us that we might drop down. Of course, we need some other things as well. We need to add them to our analyze because I don't want to mix it with yesterday, but there is some kind of zone, but doesn't matter right now. Let's check micro rotation. Bearish is not confirmed, so this is the first rotation from the morning. Another one, this is 5 minutes time frame. Can be, cannot say it's here. Okay, the price was rotating in some kind of way. It's confirmed, then we can look for bullish micro rotation. Now they're creating trap setup. Okay, 1 second. Mm, Bullish rotation. Okay, we need to wait for bearish rotation. The best if we can get a little bit higher reaction at this area right here, and that would be great. If not, we're gonna look for beginning of bearish rotation, maybe retest of this trend line, and we're gonna try to go down. One of our setups, I'm not sure which one at this moment. We need to wait for rotation, bearish rotation. The price is moving up at this moment, so we need to wait, but this can be quite nice. Uh, British pound is going higher and higher. Good. Halfway. I don't want to close it. We could close it and take away $7,000 in total. But no, this is our full take profit. So let's try to get there. If not, the 3,267 is secured. So I don't mind. If I want to get to $50,000, I should leave it because I need bigger profits, guys. 3, 2, 1. Look, actually, they done 1 to 2 risk to reward. Over here, should have $10,000 profits in the first place. So the risk to reward is very nice because the risk was $5,000 and total profit of $10,000. Good. But because we closed half of the position, we can get now $10,000. So sometimes it's good to think about closing a little bit closer, but your full take profit, okay? We'll see. All right, let them drop because we are waiting for bearish rotation and the price is moving up at this moment. So for this one, we will have to wait. Okay. Mm. The pullback is too strong for now. That's for sure. Mm. Gold looks like they want to go up. No, we still need to wait. The best way if we can go back into rotation channel, but we got some problems on the way to go up. Support resistance zone and previous day high. That's okay. USD JPY. USD JPY. No, I want to stick to this one here. Gold. Yeah, let's wait for euro. I think euro is looking at this moment the best. All we need is just a bearish rotation, and then we're gonna try to get few pips. But we need to let them go for now. Okay, let's check S&P 500. I got nice setup, but after 345, I've got nice setup on US 500, but this is gonna be after session, so I will do it on different account. I'm not gonna do this on this account because this is account for live trading sessions, and I want to keep it that way. Mm, Maybe I will show you this after New Year's, because from January we're gonna have some more room for live trading sessions. So trading sessions should last 2 hours from January, and we're gonna look for different strategies, not only price action cycle, all in ASAP. We're gonna look for some other stuff. So if there's nothing to do from one strategy, we can find some setups from the other strategy. Why not? So next year, more setups during the sessions. But like you can see, we don't need too many setups because let's have a look at the history over here. This is history from live trading account from for the session. Last 30 days, last 7, last 30. So we can see we don't need too many positions. We got some losses. I've got some losses as well. But you can see only best setups and slowly building up profit. Building up profit. So nice. If I'm gonna be able to get to $50,000, that would be great. Because I want to place withdraw this week on Friday. I want to place the withdraw from this account. So um, I want to make as much as I can, but I don't want to rush. If I'm gonna find some setups, I will open. If not, I will not open. If you do it like this, slowly, step by step, you focus on the strategy, the profits will come, but you need to wait for the right setup, okay? So this setup from the morning is pretty good. Hopefully, we're gonna get to full take profit. If yes, I will have 35,000 on this account this month. We're gonna need another 15,000 to make 50. So we got another day tomorrow. We got Wednesday. So no problem, guys. US 500. Let's check what's going on over here. It's definitely bullish trend. Mm, okay, so uh, one second. Let's start from the beginning. First of all, we can see over here the price is moving up, so we are in bullish trend. Okay, we had some strong move in the morning, then we had range. Another strong move and we got some range. This is normal. We can expect another one later on. So we need to find out where is measure move because we need to wait for the price to get to measure move first. Then we're going to look for some pullback and for some opportunity to open the trade. Let me start from the morning. Okay, the price stopped somewhere around 61.8, which is good. Measure move is right here, so hopefully we can get there. Then we're gonna look for some pullback and we're gonna try to enter the position to go up. Let's check if we can find any rotation channel. We have some rotation channel. Let me just check from the top. Okay. All right. Yeah, so we need to wait for the price to get to measure move. Then we're gonna look for pullback. So we got still a few more minutes for that. So let's make a plan. I'm gonna put that in trading journal, and we can use it later, like the plan on GBP USD from this morning. So let me just remove that from the chart. Here we got measure move. Okay, this is our measure move setting template measure. Where is it? Measure move second leg. Okay, so I can remove this from the chart now. So what I'm looking for, this overshoot is okay. It's happening all the time on the market. So maybe the pullback will be a little bit deeper. That can be good information for us because we got some support resistance zone. And maybe if we're gonna get to this area, you can see the price will break through the rotation channel. And after reaction, we're gonna look for the price to come back into this channel and one of our setups for continuation of bullish trend. So template, this is our support resistance zone. Okay. Measure move. I'm not sure if we're gonna have reaction right at this level. The price might break through, it might go higher. That's okay. So we need to wait for the impulse to finish and then we're gonna measure the pullback zone, okay? Uh, so let's say we're gonna get to measure move second leg. Let's say we're gonna stop here. Our pullback will be uh, somewhere around this area, which is good, but support resistance zone is a little bit lower. It's lower, but it doesn't bother me anymore, I think. Because support resistance zone is outside our pullback zone. Because if this impulse is gonna finish higher, look, the pullback zone will be here. So this support resistance zone, I'm not able to use it anyway because it's gonna be correction will be too deep. So let's focus just on this area and support resistance zone. Don't care at this moment. So we're gonna look for the pullback somewhere close to bottom of rotation channel. Okay. So if we're gonna get here, I would like to see reaction somewhere at rotation channel. Then we're gonna add simple resistance line, and after the breakout, of course, we need to check micro rotation, but maybe we will be able to go even higher for third leg measure move. But S&P 500 is a bit tricky because in about 40 minutes time, stock market is opening and they might be quite strong moves. Let's see the previous day. Look, after stock market opening drop. Mm, Nice reaction anyway. Here, nothing special. But it doesn't have to be like that. So, so let's stick to the plan. Okay, I want rotation channel, or we might break through a little bit because if we want to see this situation on this side, we might break through a little bit. But if we're gonna pass our pullback zone, probably change of direction. Change of direction. Okay. Gold. Can we do something on gold at this moment? Let me just check. With 23 pips. I think we can secure some of the trades, maybe another $1,000. Why not? Another $1,000 secured. Basically, we can secure 1,300, so we're gonna have 5,000 from this trade. Why not? Because there is strong reaction. We're gonna jump on to Euro USD because we might have a chance to go down. So even if the price will reverse, I will have in total $5,000 from this trade. So I think it's not too bad. So 5,000 is already secured. Let's check Euro USD. Yes, we got breakout. Boom. Straight through the trend line, but we need some bearish rotation. We were checking rotation, I think, from 3 minutes time frame. So we got beginning of bearish rotation, which is good. Incoming sell momentum on GBP USD. I know. But I'm don't worry. I don't worry too much. Trade is secured, so I don't mind. 3 minutes time frame. So we're gonna look for maybe strange setup because this impulse is quite strong. So we will see there should be small pullback, maybe to exponential moving average. If yes, we're gonna try to use it, unless they're gonna go straight down to the range. So I'm looking for pullback and bearish candle, 3 minutes time frame. I'm gonna try to get to the non-trade zone. Yes, to the non-trade zone. We're gonna try to get there. Yes, we need small pullback. So let's wait for this one. GBP, crude oil. Crude oil dropped, so it's okay. GBP, sorry, gold. We got retest of rotation channel, so we might have a change of direction. We can try to find some kind of rotation channel, hidden rotation channel, but it might be a little bit tight for this one. Mm, it might be tight. First leg, second leg. I think we got reset. Did we get here or not? Second leg, third leg, not done. We might have a change of direction. This is 3 minutes time frame anyway. If we changing direction, if the price will drop from price action cycle, it's for me, it's too tight. I'm not sure about this channel right here. I think I will remove it anyway. Can be like this, maybe. No, too tight. I think we can still go higher, so I will leave it for now. US 500, good. Let them go to measure move second leg. Then we're gonna look for the trades, and euro is dropping down. British pound doesn't look too bad. There was one strong candle, but it's okay. In the worst case, it's gonna be nice anyway. Now they are going down. Should I worry or not? I'm not worried too much. Trade is secured. I'm not gonna change it now. I could basically close it now, so I would have nearly $6,000. But no, I'm gonna leave it. Let's leave it. I don't care. It's nice. I'm happy from this trade anyway. I got some profit, so I can't complain, guys. I cannot complain. All right, guys. Listen. Now, if the Euro USD will get to the range straight away, no trade for me. If we're gonna go back and then we're gonna touch exponential moving average, and there will be nice reaction of sellers, I can open the trade with small stop loss, risk to reward 1 to 2. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, sorry. 1 to 2, but I need to wait and see reaction at exponential moving average, then bearish candle, and we can open the trade to get to non-trade zone. We can get to the bottom of non-trade zone. I think bottom will be better because this is low of the day. Okay, so somewhere around this area will be great. So if we open position somewhere here, easily we can get 1 to 2 risk to reward, but we need to wait for the price to bounce from exponential moving average, and hopefully we're gonna drop straight down to to the bottom of our range? If yes, that means that British pound will also drop. That's okay. I don't mind. So let's wait and see if we're gonna have reaction or not. So this is my plan for Euro USD, and I'm gonna try to use it. And also crude oil, no. US 500 is looking good, but we need to wait for the price to get to measure move. Then we're gonna we need to check pullback zone and reaction at the bottom of rotation channel, or undershoot, but after the price will have to go back into rotation channel, and then we can look for the trade. Okay, so we got two options. First option is somewhere here at the bottom of rotation channel, and the other option is for the breakout. Okay, this is first option, and the second option, go up, down. Then we're gonna have to go back into the rotation channel. This is rotation channel. Okay, so we will see one of these options. If I'm gonna see that, yes. If not, because the price may drop down straight away. If yes, I don't care. I'm looking for specific situation in specific area, and if I'm gonna see one of these two scenarios, I will open the trade. If not, I will leave it, because I already got some nice profit today, so I don't need to trade anymore. I can still get some more from this trade. I will leave it because, of course, the price might go up. It looks like strong impulse down, one candle, two candles, but now they stopped. So who knows? We might go straight up, and we're gonna have full take profit of $10,000, and that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, if not, we're gonna have 5,000. That's okay. It's not gonna be that bad. All right, guys. I think that's it for this session. I'm gonna look for those two situations. One on S&P 500, and Euro might look good as well. So if I would know that we need to wait another 5 minutes, I would wait. But I'm not sure. We might wait another 15, 20 minutes. So no. We can do it after the session. That's not a problem. So reaction at exponential moving average, strong bearish reaction, enter the position to the bottom of rotation channel. A safe stop loss under this high, but it's gonna be hard to get 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. We might get smaller stop loss, so we can get 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Tomorrow, another day, so we're gonna look for some more opportunities. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for being here, and guys, I wish you a lot of